Hello! Today's topic is smooth path, but we begin with a project from previous video which is a round path, and we will upgrade this project to simulate a smooth path. Now what is smooth path? In comparison to round path, which is really similar pre-processing function block which does circular movement between 2 points based on diameter defined, the smooth path uses spline, either 3rd or 5th degree spline. In general, smooth path is more commonly used in application than really a round path because there are certain benefits. However, certain things can look that they are identical, but they are not. So first thing, how to start a smooth path. Here you can see we have our steps from previous video. This is our G code. A round path started with G52, but a smooth path starts with G51. So this is the first difference. This steps one CNC file we already uploaded to our PLC. Second point is that you can pile up your pre-processing function block. You can put one after another. So this is exactly what we are going to do. We will put smooth path in between round path and check velocities. And then we will simulate both round path and then smooth path and see what's the difference. Before we begin, we also enhanced the trace in advance, so still we have set position, set velocity from both axes, but I added here set acceleration. So here we will see what is the real acceleration. Let's create a function block. We need to also prepare a buffer. We need to call this instance of our function block. Let's prepare a visualization and then we will simulate. Let's log in. Run. Let's go to the path. So we have our steps, multi-axis control. We need to enable our drives, set position. Now let's close and prepare our CNC. So first round path. And we will enable round, smooth, check velocities. Before we start, let's download the trace. And we execute interpolator. If we check the trace, we will immediately see, let's a bit zoom out. When you check acceleration and deacceleration, when you check acceleration of both axes, then you will notice that there is this jerk, especially when the axis is close to 0. Now this is not really wanted, mainly because it will make a jerk in your axis movement. So this is something that you would like to avoid, but still to have the benefit of not stopping on the corner. I went all the way to the end of this CNC file. If we now zoom in, our main movement part, here you see these jumps. Now let's execute the same G code but with smooth path. Let's go to CNC, disable everything. Let's change steps to steps 1. Again, enable around, and here it's smooth path. We will select spline of 5. Enable, check velocities. Before we start the interpolator, let's start the trace. And we execute. Let's go to trace. Let's zoom in into our acceleration, and immediately you see that acceleration is not a jump, but it's some kind of a curve. Now this is making your application even smoother. The machine will not have shakes or vibrate when it's in the corner situation. So that's the main difference between round and the smooth path preprocessing function block. And this is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.